Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and today we're going to talk about the Encore cover by Extang with the Tuxedo Tunnel Mate toolbox. That's right, toolbox cover combination. Now we just did this on this brand new Ford F-150. Now this just came out. This is the latest edition. Beautiful truck, absolutely beautiful. The interior, everything about this truck is wonderful, and this cover does work very nicely. If you look closely, it does match the truck very nicely. It has the same finish as the bed cap, so it looks like it belongs with this truck. Is that factory look. Now let's go over some of the features. We looked at how nice it is. Let's go ahead, it works. Now you're going to have, just like most covers, but not all, you'll have a left and right release mechanism. Now some covers do not have a left and right, they just have a driver's side only. It is convenient to have the passenger side because depending on where you're standing, you can unrelease this. Now this is going to have the triple seal here. The better covers will have a triple seal. What does a triple seal do? Well, it's simple. It keeps out water better. Now this is one of the few covers that has a dual seal on the side. Instead of a single seal, it has two. Same thing, it's better at water. Now this one here, you can go ahead and fold it all the way up here, and you can drive with this all secured, as you can see. Now if you look here closely, you can see the Tuxedo Tunnel Mate inside the bed here, and it does fit very nice, and we're going to go into that in a second. Also, if you notice, we have a drainage system here as well, so if any water gets past that wonderful double seal, instead of going to bed, it catches it, drains it out, which is very nice. So let's go over here and show you some of the cool things about the Encore. Now a lot of covers will fold one more time up. This one has a reverse fold. Why is that better? Well, it's better if you have a Tunnel Mate toolbox inside there. As you can see, it fits in there very nicely. And come over here, and we're going to go ahead and open it with the hydraulics. It's a great setup. You can get right to the toolbox. Now it does have a lock. You don't necessarily need a lock because you do have a locking cover, but you can lock both if you want to put some valuables in there. Now, these are some of the things I need to go over with you right now. This Tunnel Mate is made by Tuxedo. This cover is made by Extang. They are not designed to go together, but as you can see, they are working very well together because we know how to make a modification to make this work. Now, if you want this done, we can do it here at the shop. We have done these enough times, so we got it down to a science. Now, if you want to buy this and do this at home, I'll be glad to walk you through it if you purchase the products from me. If you go and purchase it from another company and they have no clue how to do this, and they won't help you because they just don't know, and then you call me up and say, well, I'm not spending any money with you, but I want you to help me. I'm sorry, you got to buy it from me. I'll be glad to tell you step by step how to do it, but you got to buy it from me. So if you bought it already and you want to bring it into the shop, I'm okay with that because we'll go ahead and do it. Now that, as you know, when you buy the product from us, the labor is at a discount because we made money on the product. So if you bought it somewhere else, unfortunately I have to charge you a little bit more. I have to charge you the regular rates of the store because we didn't sell you the product. Now if we sell you the product and we install it, we're going to give you a full 1-year labor guarantee on everything we do if you bought the products from us. So that being said, so let's go over a few more features here. Again, this is going to hold 250 pounds. It's a great toolbox. Now the way we have secured this, it's just very well in there. I mean, I don't want to go into details, but it is in there very good. And of course, with this reverse fold, it just goes right on top of there. So as you can see, you can close it up very nicely. If you look at it here, it's very easy to open it up. The whole idea is you don't have to open the whole cover to get to the back of this. And it's just a nice feature as well, you know? So again, you can go ahead and open and close the tailgate. Now what's nice about this, if it's raining, you do not have to open and close this. You can leave this closed and you can open this with no problem whatsoever. So you can throw your stuff in there very, very easily. Now the Extang does come with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. So they do a good job. If you have any defects, they'll be happy to take care of. Any parts needed, they'll take care of it. They're a terrific company. Now if you like what you see, we always appreciate when you hit that little like button. And please subscribe to our channel. We're trying to get that match of 1,000 subscribers, and we're just a few hundred away. So every subscriber helps. And again, if you want to purchase this, on the bottom of this video is a link to my website, which shows both these products. So you can easily buy either one of these from me. They're basically, it's going to be the same price if you bought it anywhere else, so you're not paying more for it. And the benefit of buying here is I can walk you through it and tell you exactly how to do it. Very straightforward in my opinion, but I got pictures and I'll show you all that stuff if you buy from us. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and thank you very much.